This video, I want to discuss how we can access Hoover's online to look up information about a company, financial information about a company of interest. So we're going to go to the Union Library website, so uu.edu/library. And let's click on Databases, eBooks, and Media, H, and Hoover's Online. So we can do a variety of things here, like build a company list, look at news, look at context, research industries, explore triggers, which means actionable business events, as well as analyze markets. Let's search for a company. Let's see. Not sure if, yeah, we do have Pringles here in Jackson, Tennessee, where Union University is located. They're about the same size as Union, a little bit smaller probably, about the same size. So here's Pringles. Now they're a private subsidiary, so the information that you see here, there's not going to be a lot compared to a public company, but you can scroll through and see a variety of things. They don't really have a lot of financials. We can look at some close industry peers. Let's see. Closest companies, maybe. Or we'll go back to industry peers. So Kellanova, they're also private. So let's see if I could find a public company that matches up with them. It's not really showing much. Okay. Mostly privates. Let's try a couple pages and see maybe if we can find a public comparable. And if not, that's fine. Let's see, in terms of comparables, let's try Dunkin' Brands. Maybe let's see. Just trying to think of food. We'll just try McDonald's. I know that will work. So McDonald's Corporation. Now you can see here, this is a Publix parent company, but there's McDonald's, a lot more information about them. And specifically for this class, typically be looking at a public company. So a lot of things that you probably want to look at, you can see there's just so much information here. SWOT analysis is very, very good. You can look at competitors. Here's a financial summary that would be great, especially comparing the company to the industry. So you could see, as an example here, with current data, the net profit margin of McDonald's is 33.5%, which is much higher than the industry, 12.5%. That's great. Their ROA is higher. ROE is not reported. You have to go calculate that yourself. Current ratio looks in good shape as well as a quick ratio. Their sales 5-year growth is 0.31544. Their debt to equity, interesting enough, compared to industry is negative, which that's an interesting conversation. But company debt to equity is 3.4, so they do have quite a bit of debt. And then you can look and see how their stock is performing. Looks like it's been in the range of the 200s for the past year, and it's almost near its high for the year currently right now. They've got a beta of 0.64, so they're not as risky as the overall stock market. Their earnings per share is 10.85, which is really good. And then you can view a stock report and get more information. You pull data from this and run your own analysis. If I go back and look at the financial summary, I can look at their financial health report. You can see a lot of information as well as key ratios. I would prefer you calculate your own ratios, but you could use these too. You have the data here that, shows you what's happening quarterly as well as yearly. You could change the financials. You could, set this to whatever parameters you want, which is very nice. You can look at, there's just so much stuff here that you can look at the specific annual reports. You could look at the standardized financial reports. You can look at both annual as well as interim, 3, 5, or 10 years. We can look at annual ratios. We could compare ratios. I mean, the world is your oyster, so to speak, with Hoover's Online. This is a fantastic resource that should get you everything you need, not just for your own work, but also for any of your assignments, especially in the finance course here at Union. Thanks for watching.